In this video, we will learn how to fix Fortnite audio not working. So in Fortnite, if your audio is not working and you need to fix the issue, all you need to do is head to the profile section from the top right hand side of your screen, left click on it. Now from here, go to the settings menu by clicking on the gear button. After that, head to the audio tab. From here, make sure that your main volume is set to an optimal level so you can hear comfortably. Now scroll down until you find the audio output device and make sure that it's on the right one. So if you are using a speaker, it is on speaker, and if you are using a headphone, it is onto your headphone. Now if you are unable to hear your teammates' voice in voice chat, make sure that the voice chat output method is also set to your default output device, and your voice chat is set to 100%. Now if your audio is still not working, make sure that your Windows audio device is set to the right section. So in order to check it out, right click on the audio button on the bottom right hand side of your screen, then go to the sound settings. From here, make sure the output device is set to the one you are currently using. So if you are using your headphones, make sure it is on the headphone, and if you are using a speaker, make sure it's on the speaker. And also make sure that the volume is set to the optimal amount, and if you are using a stereo headset, make sure that the mono audio is turned off. After changing these settings, all your sound problems should be fixed and you can enjoy Fortnite like before. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.